parang kailan lang medyo big guy ka. Ngayon, you're going into fit and fab
Oh, yeah.
look na. How's the journey so far, King Bajo?
Okay naman po. May medyo, actually, akala nila mabilis lang eh. But, nag-start po ako August eh. Tapos nag-reveal ako ng parang mid-October. So, kung tutusin, pag inisip mo, mabilis at madali siya, pero hindi po siya ganun kadali. But, yeah, like what you saw on the video, eto na po ako, from the chubby guy to eto.
Ilang kilos o pounds ang nakabawas na sa'yo?
From 93.50 to 74.
Wow. And itutuloy-tuloy mo na yan.
Yeah, like I said, October ako nag-reveal and till now, nakita nyo naman, I'm in shape,
Correct.
fit.
That's good. That's
Yeah.
good.